Ladies and gentlemen, it's such a beautiful evening over here in Gulu City. Guess what is happening today? We are just doing a surprise examination wishes for one of our very own kid called Rubakene Emmanuel. We are just here at Gulu Primary, which is still within the city of Gulu. He has no idea, completely, absolutely no idea. The grandmother is over here. And today we are just here trying to arrange, and it's going to happen in a way that it has never happened before. So stay tuned and see how we get all these things done. Don't go away. So we have brought something very small, and we hope that will motivate him so to perform academically, and that is the most important thing. You're a teacher, you're a parent, you're guardian, you're any member of the community. All you need is a child to perform well, and that is exactly what we are doing today. So just like when you can see from here, to this kid, okay, and she's just willing and ready to surprise the son, and we are just going to keep her here on phone, and we just came with something over here. You can come and see. We just have some cash here, you can see, with fresh flowers here, properly wrapped up. Yeah, something that we believe can make him excited about tomorrow. And here we have our cake where it's written in his name, and he's going to really like it. And over here we have just some small drink that we shall have as a team. We take it while standing 5 minutes and we go away. And some of these things over here, the shoes, stockings, t-shirt with his photo on it, and has a cup and a water bottle, all of them with photos of him on them. So that's basically what we are trying to do today, and it's yet another episode of surprise that we do here at Lakwed TV. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked here. We are still going to do it. We are going to do it more. He's yet to come. He doesn't know what is going on, and he's going to find us over here. Thank you. Keep it locked here. This program was meant to happen earlier than this. We all know that there is a Ebola outbreak in Uganda. However, we went ahead and conducted this program with observation of the SOPs. Well guys, as part of the plan, we were supposed to keep the mother on a video call throughout this entire time until that part that she would talk to the son, but it was a bit unfortunate that the network reception wasn't the best. So we kept trying, and I was really very uncomfortable missing out on that part. Because that was really important to us as well. We also got a very good reception from his teachers, especially teacher Jimmy, who helped to coordinate almost everything from the school. He did his part and made sure that these children were all organized, and also he joined in with his fellow teachers. That really made it very nice. it didn't just end with handing over the gifts. We went as far as wishing him success in his final primary examination. He was really looking very determined, well prepared and ready to execute the task ahead of him. We could have had this program quite earlier, but with the outbreak of Ebola, the Ministry of Health, Uganda, are coming against school visitations. This greatly affected our primary plan. It's a bit unfortunate that the mother couldn't attend the live event, but we believe that she'll watch this video and probably still get to know how exactly things happen. Yeah, thank you so much to Gloria Ajok, Abiru Grace, who is actually working abroad in Saudi Arabia. Rubankin Emmanuel was really very excited, but we all know that people express their excitements differently, and that's probably how he does his. So we didn't want to make it too extraordinary in such a way that it will probably affect his performance at class. So we thank you so much. We are here at Gulu Primary, which is located along Juba Road, that is Gulu City, Lakwed Road. And here is, of course, P.7. He has done wonderful things here, except that, of course, it's getting a little bit late. P.7, I want to thank you so much for being part of this. Yeah, sure.
They say the future is in the hands of the children.
Exactly.
So we need to motivate them, and in that case, our future would be brighter.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for following Lakwed TV. We'll keep it locked there, and of course, whoever is having something like this, you want to surprise somebody, just give us a knock, then we'll make sure we follow and we deliver.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Till next time, make sure you subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell, and the next time we produce such a very beautiful content, you will get notified first. You can also join and become a member of Lakwed TV, and that will really help to support our work. I would like to thank my cameraman and the producer at the same time, Emma. Emma, thank you so much. May God keep blessing the work of your hands, so that one day much better things coming. Thank you.